For some of you, you keep uploading videos every day and then you're not getting the views. Maybe you're stuck with 300 views, 400 views, 50 views, 10 views. The reason may be that you don't use SEO in your videos. Yes, you don't use SEO in your videos. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So if you don't use it in your videos, your chances of getting more views is 50%. All these top content creators, these big YouTubers, they will not tell us this truth because why? They don't want us to compete with them. But I'm here to tell you that if you include SEO in your videos, I bet you're going to be having the massive views, you're going to be having the massive watch hours, and then your subscribers will be counting for you. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all the things you need to know about YouTube SEO, and then you'll be getting the massive views when you learn to know how this SEO works. So if this is a video you would like to watch, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me tell you what you need this SEO for and what this SEO does for your videos. So watch to the end and learn these basic things about SEO, and it will rank your videos, whether you are having 10 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 400 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. Watch this video to the end and learn more about this YouTube SEO, and you get the hundreds and thousands of views that you want for your video. Are you ready? Let's go right into the video. So now, whether you upload good content, you upload good and beautiful videos, if that video does not have any SEO included in it, that video does not have any relevant keywords, your video will not rank. It will not give you the massive views, it will not give you the watch hours, and it will give you zero subscribers. So as a small YouTuber and you want your channel to grow, you want to get the massive views, you want to get that watch hours, and you want your subscribers to be counting for you, I'm going to be telling you how to use this SEO. I know some people will be asking themselves, why do we even need this SEO, or why do we even need to include this SEO in our videos? Let me tell you why. This SEO is the only thing and only language that this YouTube platform understands. It is the only thing that the YouTube algorithm understands. So you have to follow this, their understanding, if English will permit that word. For example, you find yourself in a strange country or a strange land, and then you find yourself not speaking the same language with them. And when you speak English, they're speaking French. You don't understand French, and they don't understand English. So how do you do it? You see that you don't understand or don't know how to speak their language. All right. So it's the same thing here on YouTube platform. When you don't use the right language for YouTube, YouTube will not understand you. If you don't use YouTube SEO, YouTube will not recommend your videos, and then your videos will not have the massive views. Your video will not have the watch hours. That's how it works with SEO. So you need to include SEO in your videos. So without adding SEO to your videos, whether you are having 100,000 subscribers, 390,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, if you don't add SEO to your videos will not have any views. That is the plain truth. Believe me. How to use this SEO? How do we even use SEO? So there are two ways involved in how to use this SEO. Number one is to identify the keyword. For example, when you're making fried rice is the keyword. How to make fried rice? Fried rice is the keyword. Another example is how to sew kimono dress. Kimono dress is the keyword. And once you use this keyword in your video, your videos will be recommended by YouTube because they will see that video as a valuable video that has a keyword in it. Once you've identified the keyword, the second way of how to use this SEO is to strategically place this keyword in the right places so that YouTube will pick the video and then start recommending this video to a wider and broad audience. All right. And then your views will be increasing, your watch hours will be increasing, and definitely people will subscribe to your channel because you are doing things the right way by using this YouTube SEO. I'm going to be showing you 7 places they are going to place these keywords you want them to rank for. Okay, there are 7 places that you're going to place them. Step by step, I'm going to tell you how to place them so that you'll be getting the massive views, the watch hours, and the subscribers. So the first place you need to place this keyword and for YouTube to start recommending your video is in your content itself. That is your video content itself. What do I mean by that? Is when you are making your video, always mention this keyword in that particular video. The reason is that if you don't mention that particular keyword in your video 1 to 2 times or even 3 to 4 times, your videos will not be recommended. That video does not have any keyword at all. When your video's title is having a particular keyword, make sure you are mentioning that keyword when making your video. For example, you want to teach people how to make porridge yam, and then your title you uploaded how to make porridge yam, and then when you're making that video you did not even mention the word porridge yam there in the video. So YouTube algorithm, when they are reading through that particular video, they will see that you are lying, you're not saying the truth, and they'll take it as deception. Okay, so when you are making your video, make sure you say the keywords. When making your video, always mention the keywords. Let that keyword be in your title and then in the video content itself. So the second place for you to use the keyword is in your title. Your video title must have a particular keyword. Okay, and when that video title has the particular keyword, when YouTube is running through that video title, they will see the keyword there, and then they will rank your video. People come to Google to search for a particular keyword, your video will pop up because there's a particular right keyword in that video title. The number 3 way of how to use the keyword in your videos is in your description, your video description. When you are putting your description, make sure your description has the keyword of what is in your title. You cannot write all the keywords in your title because the title options is just for us to impute 100 characters there. But this description box has a lot of keyword space for you to impute. So what you cannot input in your title, the keyword that you cannot add in your title, you can add them in your description. The fourth place is in your video file name. When YouTube goes through your file name and they do not find any keyword there, they're not going to push that video, they're not going to recommend that video. So make sure you optimize your video file name with a particular keyword that will match even your video title. The fifth one is your thumbnail. Make sure you change your thumbnail file name before uploading your thumbnail, because it will help your video to rank. YouTube does not even have time to go through your thumbnail title, but the file name of that thumbnail is very important to them. It will rank your video. The next place is your YouTube tag box. Please, it will help you to reconnect or connect with people. All right, that tag box is very important. So if as a small YouTuber you're not using SEO in your videos, please go and be using them. Okay, if your views are stuck with 200, 400, 300, that's because you're not using this SEO very well. You're not optimizing your videos. So make sure you optimize your videos with the right keywords that I've mentioned in today's video. So I know you must have learned a lot about this SEO, what it's all about, how to use it, and how they are used, and the places that you need to impute the right SEO keywords. I hope this video was valuable to you. You watched to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.